Hello everyone. So I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube just because, you know, life, work, all those other things. I don't want to bore you with that, but I want to show you that I became a Close to My Heart consultant this month. I've been thinking about it for a while, and then I went on their website beginning of February, and it said, you know, this month if you become a consultant, you also get a bunch of stuff in addition. So I was like, you know, I might as well just go ahead. So that was really cool. So then a couple days later after I signed up, this came in the mail, and it is huge. Huge. Like my boyfriend picked up, he's like, what is this? And then he got excited and he wanted to open it. So, so I told him no, I want you all to see it with me because I haven't went through it all because I don't remember everything that's in it. So I just want to open it up and see. Really cute. I love the pink box, and then all of these things. Alrighty, so here is the consultant kit itself. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff, as you can see. Huge thing, and to be a consultant is only $99. So I just got a whole box of stuff for $100, and then it was just a couple dollars in shipping. This has an adhesive runner in it. Seasonal Expressions sampler, which is really cool. I like these colors. The Fundamentals color wheel, which is pretty cool. So I have a hard time with that. The stamp set. I believe I bought this. But nope, new consultant kit. And it says, thank you for your order. Everything's better when you bring your friends. Thank you. If you want to do thank you cards or if you want to hold a party. I thought that was really cool. I was looking at that separately, but it is actually part of the consultant kit. This is the cardstock color wheel. So I guess it shows what each color Close to My Heart has, which is a lot. Then we have the heartstrings. Also From the Heart. Oh, they always say From the Heart. They're the same thing. I don't know if that's on purpose or not, but hey, that works. It also came with one of their acrylic blocks, 2x2, which is a good size used for a lot of stuff. A third From the Heart. I don't know if they're supposed to be different or not. And it came with some ink, charcoal, which I think I have, so I might, or this is still taped, I might give this away. And then a pair of their scissors, which I need. I always lose scissors. Alright, so that was the consultant kit, but then if you purchase in February, you also get the blush bundle, where blush is the color of the year for Close to My Heart. And right now they are doing like a big sale on this stuff, but this actually comes with the consultant kit, which I thought was really cool. This is a Make It From Your Heart. The volume 3, which is funny because I was just watching a video earlier and someone used this and I go, oh, okay, here, let me pick it up. And I came down here and opened up my goodies, and here it already is, which is awesome. This has all kinds of ideas for scrapbooking and card making. And Vanny Crates just did a video earlier on her thank you cards, and she showed this book, and I'm like, oh man, that's awesome, I need that, and here it is. There we go. And then also the blush album, which these are punched, so you can put this in here, which is pretty cool. Or you can also do, this is like a mini album for scrapbooking, which is really cool. It's like a padded cover. Alright. Oh my goodness, there's a ton of stuff in here. Awesome. And then this is the Bashful, it just says the glitter paper, the pearls, and the small of the ink. I think this is just kind of like a sampler pack. I can't remember the name of it, but this is, if you want to look it up, CC2181. And it comes with like the glitter paper, and then it comes with and the cardstock in Bashful. good, decent. That's a lot of cardstock, so that's awesome. This is what I always need. And then a huge thing of the ink. You know, the inks are normally $12 by themselves. And I think these are all... Okay, these are books. The Annual Inspirations book, which I already have one. You can purchase these on the website, and I think if you spend so much, you also get this for free or for like $1. And it has their... Basically, I think it has all the stuff that they sell. And then also for hosting parties and things like what you need to be a consultant. Oh, this is really cool. What kind of crafter are you? Yeah, I pick up everything and see how it works. Yeah, this is all their products. I have this striped mini album. And this is really cool. And then this also has the books that, you know, in case you hold a party and anyone's interested, they can take one of these home. And then they can also, I think they can also order, yep, you just put your information at the back and you can help them order. And then I do also have my website. I will put it in the description. I think it's azurabelle.ctmh.com, but I'll put that down there just in case anyone's interested. And I don't know if any of y'all watch Vianney Creates, but I signed up underneath her. So, which is cool. So, I just putting that out there. I don't really know how that works yet. I haven't looked a lot into it about like consultants and the tiers and stuff, but I think this would be really cool. Because I think this company is really cool. They have a lot of cool stuff. And this is the seasonal expressions. And this has more ideas and things. And this is like, oh yeah, these are the workshop your ways or workshop on the go, which I was looking at earlier. Shows everything that's in it and then some ideas. Like this one's really cool with the mermaid. That's cute because where I'm from the South. Hey y'all, I'm Dandy. My accent really comes out sometimes. And then this is really cool. I was really looking into this because I have a lot of recipes. And it's basically you make your own recipe book. It has these really cute half cards, put your recipes on, and it has these stamps. Which is really cool. So I was looking into that because I think I have a lot of recipes from my grandmother, from, you know, 2 different sides of my family. And I think it'd be really cool just to keep together, keep it in the family. Oh, and then these are the order forms for like if you have a party for a hostess, which is pretty cool. My sister sometimes sells Scentsy, so we can have a little powwow. And then this is also some cardstock custom combo pack. Oh, this is I think this is the varying shades of pink. There's red. Wow, pretty much a rainbow. Pretty cool. And then, last thing in the box. Really cute. Close to my heart. It has notes on this side, and then this whole grid, which I guess you can use for if you don't have like a solid mat to work on, you can work on these. And then you just tear them off and you can put them on your workspace. Speaking of which, I now have my own workspace because I can work from home several times a month. So now I have my own area, I have my own desk and stuff set up, so I'll be able to make videos a lot more, especially whenever I'm home on work, and especially if it's not a busy day, then I can say hi to you guys more often. But yeah, I thought this was really cool, the new consultant kit, because I mean, all of this, I want to say that it was free. Like, I only spent $99 and I got all of the, like this pile over here that came in the one bag, which was the new consultant kit, and then this for their blush or bashful line. So I thought that was just a really good deal, and it got here in just a couple days. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool, and if y'all have any questions or anything, or like interested in me doing anything from close by heart, because I'll probably be doing some scrapbooking here, because I found Michael's has the cutest scrapbooks on sale right now, and so I wanted to go get a couple. I wanted to make one for my nephew, and then I wanted to make one for me because I haven't scrapbooked in a couple years, and I have a lot of pictures saved up, so I think that'd be cool. I will go ahead and probably share a couple with you all, just some ideas, especially probably some ideas from these books, because These are awesome, really well thought out. Like, this is cute. How cute would this be for a little boy in your life? Like, the stamp that comes with it and the cute little pictures. Even like the little tips and stuff. And I think this is great because I don't consider myself a professional scrapbook or anything like that. I just do things like that in my spare time. And then really cute, like, some coloring ideas for these stamps, which these are on sale right now. Like, Closmart's doing this 30% off sale, and this is one of the stamps, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. I think that's really cute. All I can say is wow, and of course, thank you. That's really cute. I love sentiment stamps. I have so many. But alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff organized, get everything set up, and then I'll probably show you all a couple tutorials. But if you need anything else from me, please feel free to leave me a like, give me a message, anything like that. And I hope to talk to you all soon.